So, good morning, friends. This is Nihal Velani. I am working as a training excellence manager at EduBridge. So, today we have one of our learner from the course, Miss Neha Belanki. So, Neha, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So, Neha, could you tell everybody a little bit about you, your background, and what do your parents do?
Yes, sir. So my name is Neha Rajendra Banki. I am from Belgaum, Karnataka. I graduated in BCom from Rani Chennamma University, Belgavi. I completed my MBA in Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit, Pune. And apart from this, I have parents like father, mother, grandmother, and my younger brother. My father is an company secretary. My mother is an housewife, and my younger brother is in become final year. That's all about me, sir.
That's really good. So, how did you come to know about our website, and what did you want to learn from the enrolled course?
So I come to know about this next time course through my placement coordinator. It comes it they tells like EduBridge and next time is an they provides various kinds of and courses and tells educate the students for their and they support the students to start their career within good companies. And I enrolled this course and I learned about many things like communication, email ethics, and some accounting process. And next time I enroll in next time accounts executive course. Purnima ma'am was the trainer for me. She's an excellent, and she always supports and she gives a various good numbers of an example. So that helps me to remember the concepts.
It's really good. So, how has your overall experience been so far with the online training?
So real experience was really good, and I learned about many things, communications. And before enroll this course, I was like bit knowledge, like lacking about some accounts, some basic knowledge, and like I'm not more confident about while talking. But now this course helps me to more confident and improves my communication.
That's really good. So, how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
So it's helping me till now. First, I learned many things like um, like talking, emailing, and it improving my self knowledge and gaining.
Okay. So, which part of the course did you find most interesting about?
That's Excel and accounting and accounts and bills payable process. That was very interesting part. And even apart from this, even ma'am has conducted some mock interviews, some games. So that was really interesting.
That's really good. So, how do you find our Learn by Yourself modules?
Learn by yourself, the modules are really good, sir. The content was that provided by the modules are that helps me to like they gives me very depth knowledge about the concepts.
Okay. So, what can we do to make overall training experience even better?
Sir, I think there is no improvement, but I can say that when we have give the assessments, they gives like out of you like 25 questions are there, and you have corrected 22. Then where the student had to know that where which questions are wrong, that should be known by the so that will be help to students like where they go wrong.
Sure, sure. We'll definitely look into this. Thank you for sharing your experience. Moving towards the next, how do you find our My Resume section?
My resume section was really good. There are total two options, and like where we can upload our own resume or we can create other companies website. There are the total various kinds of templates like borders text there where making the resume it was very easy to understand and where preparing they
That's
helps
it.
and they guides us like where we have to go, where we have to write, what we have to go, everything.
How do you think this course is going to help you or impacted you going forward?
Sir, this course was like still also helping me. I joined because with the help. I really thank you to Nextime for giving me this course. And I recently I joined like I selected for offshore department for and this Nextime company. So this helps. This course helps me to know and better knowledge about like accounting field.
That's really good. So would you recommend EduBridge and its course to your friends and relatives?
Yes, sir. I already referred to friends and still I'm referring to others. Like go and join this course. It was really helpful and interesting.
That's really good. So Neha, thank you so much for coming over here and taking on the time and sharing your valuable feedbacks. So friends, this was the one of our learner, Miss Neha Belanki, who had shared her thoughts about how was her overall training experience. So thank you for coming and thank you for watching.